Hi friends, today we're going to look at a very sticky herb that you may have seen growing in your backyard. It's called cleavers, and it's often found climbing up the side of a fence or even sticking to your clothes as you walk by. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, it really is sticky. I'm having trouble pulling it apart. So it's also traditionally used as an herbal remedy for support in a variety of issues, from skin inflammation to swollen lymph nodes. Cleavers has a slightly sweet, slightly salty taste. Some describe it as tasting a little bit like cucumber. And when you harvest it and chop it up, you'll notice that it has a very aromatic fragrance as well. And you can use it to make a cooling and refreshing herbal infusion, cold infusion. And to do that, you just harvest and coarsely chop a bunch of cleavers, enough to fill a tall glass jar like this. Just fill it right up. And one word of caution: when you're harvesting any plant that grows as a weed like cleavers, you really want to be sure that you know for sure that you're getting it from an area that has definitely not been sprayed with a weed killer, for obvious reasons. So after you harvest and chop the cleavers, place them in the jar and fill the jar with water. If you like, you can add a lemon slice. That's nice too. Then you seal the jar and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. But it's really a lot better if you leave it in for overnight or even a day or two. And when it's ready, you can strain out the cleavers, or you can just leave them in there. It's up to you. And just take this infusion wherever you go and just sip on it throughout the day, and it makes a cooling and refreshing tonic. So yes, cleavers can be a little annoying when it's sticking to your clothes, but I hope that you can see this herb in a little bit different light and maybe try making a cold infusion for yourself. Till next time, be well and stay courageous. Bye-bye.